Welcome to Headspace. Optimize, actualize, realize. Because as you optimize your space, your car, your workplace, your room, your home, your backyard, your war room, your shop, when you have things in the right location, you can find them. You know where the coffee's at. You do things consistently because things are all over the place. You're not spending time looking, and then all of a sudden, are you a person that the phone goes off? Being regimented about your space and your quiet. Wake up in the morning, breathe in for 4 or 6, hold it in for 4 or 6, let it out, and take time to be grateful. But getting yourself optimized, right? And we're gonna go through various episodes to talk about different things like self-deprecation or self-denial. What does that look like? Being practical as much as we can. Being able to follow routine. Being able to organize. As I'm actually wanting to come out with a curriculum called Headspacing, where it actually has an intro form that you fill out about various questions to get us a really good idea of what kind of a person you are, tendencies, weaknesses, because sometimes there's just some simple things. Diet, optimizing your diet, but also human contact, being able to do things without being afraid. Fearing things really screws things up. Reacting, not having an organization. So when you can, or not having success, finishing things, having small progress. So to optimize yourself in a way that you can understand this goal on this podcast, so that we will also talk about that which happens, which is the second part of the motto, actualize. Because you're taking actions as you have got yourself set up, you got your shoes on, you're ready to go to bat, you got your keys, you got your food, you got your coffee, your whatever, getting ready to do the thing, and you start to take good actions over and over again. And then, as you are having success, as you're moving, as energy moves, and it goes all throughout life, you start to then see and realize things. I don't remember the moment when I came up with a motto or in the logo where it's got the unicorn, it's on the sea, it's got this octopus looking thing for the, I think it's for the E, and that has to do with visions I've had years ago, Technology Association of Oregon, but it's also the person on the icon has today's tech, like a chip, microchip, interacting or interconnecting with a neuron. Now it's a little precarious. Not advocating for let's put computers in our brains, but we've got cochlear implants to help people hear. So what is that? How do we involve ourselves in the things that actually don't take away our ability to be critical thinking and to be energized and to be coming up with creative stuff all the time? Because there is that easy button, and now we've got AI, or we have different versions, Gemini, ChatGPT. But how do we take time to truly get into anything that we believe in, which I think one of the most important things is to believe in ourselves. And I've just changed that because I've been really just family, being able to interact with one another, because we need that connection. That is seen throughout life and animals and all this stuff. And then we erected things, and now it's travel here, go there, constantly in the car or on a bike. And I just, as I think about the woman that I want to marry, who was part of that logo, the C and Headspace, cool, we can ride bikes. We'll ride bikes, I'm sure. But I just want to be with her. But we got to work, and I know we're going to travel and all this stuff, but I just think about precious times together, making memories, and being present. I hope you enjoy the series. Feel free to comment. Feel free to raise objections. And if you would like to start your own podcast, if you'd like to start your own podcast, brand, or whatever iteration you're thinking of your life, and you want some advice or help and want to talk live with me, feel free to reach out. There should be an email down there, my phone number, 541-357-9342 is our general number. You can also text as well. Have a good one.